my name is Caleb Woods and I am here representing Group 6 for our video seminar project. We are here at the processing plant at Mississippi State University, and we will be discussing the different steps of going through the processing plant. Poultry, for a side note, is one of the largest industries in America, producing billions of pounds of poultry and billions of dollars of poultry. Here lies our shackling section. After the birds are unloaded at the dock, in the back here, through these doors, they are gently hung up on these shackles and will go in a circle around the evisceration station. And here is our electrical sedation station, where the birds are run through the station and they are put unconscious so they can pass through our blade runners, which here, as the birds come out of the electrical chamber right here, they are run through a blade that meticulously severs the jugular vein, which will allow for the bleeding process in the following step. Here, after the birds run through the blades, they are run through this chamber right here, which will separate all of the blood contents and natural liquid contents from the bird and wash them into our drains. Here lies our scalder, where the birds will run through after going through bleeding. These are high temperature waters who also have a certain level in pH. The high temperatures will help to kill some pathogens, remove some pathogens, such as Salmonella, Campylobacter. This step is very important in the food safety of our poultry that is being processed. Here's our picker machine. The scalder, which is actually designed to loosen the feathers. The birds will run through the scalder and then from there to our picker machine. Now the picker machine is not in operation right now, but when it is, these brushes, rubber brushes, are extended and spinning. And through this process, all the feathers will be removed from the bird, and the birds from the shackles will follow through that entire line, and all feathers will be picked from the carcasses. Here lies the hot cutting portion of the harvesting side. As you can see, this whole side, including the picker and the blade, this whole side is the harvesting side. On the other side of this is the evisceration side. And these are separated, and they must be separated. So in this part right here, we have the shackles, where there is going to be a worker that separates the feet from the hogs, and the birds will slide down this chamber into the evisceration side. This is the rehanging station, where a worker would place the carcasses slit from that ground back onto the shackles and into evisceration.
After the birds are rehung on the shackles, they come to this machine. It's the vent cutter. And it's this cutter, it cuts a circular motion and it cuts down to the vent so the next process can open it up. After the vents are cut, they come on to this station where this shaft, it pushes down and pulls out, opens the vent up more.
Next, the birds come to this machine on the shackles, the vent opener, and the birds hit this blade right here and it opens the vent up so that the next machine can reach down and scoop out the viscera.
Alright, after the vent are opened up, it comes to this machine, this bar, it reaches down and pulls out all the innards and the vent so it can go on to the next process.
This is the crop remover. This drill looking thing right here goes through the vent all the way down through the bird's neck and removes the crop. And after the crop is removed, it hits that brush right there where it's sprayed with the antimicrobial.
After the crop's been removed, it comes to the last step in evisceration. This is the neck cutter. It cuts in a circular motion, and these blades cut the neck off, and it falls down the pan. And this is used as any backup. They either pull any backup heads that hadn't been cut properly.
Yeah, I'm chilling on a dirt road.
Alright, this is the chiller. Once the birds finish the evisceration and pass the USDA inspectors, they fall off the shackles into the chiller, where they're submerged in a solution of water and peracetic acid or chlorine, which drops the internal temperature of the birds below 40 degrees, which decreases the growth of pathogens in the birds. And they sit in here for about an hour, maybe a little more. And this is a lockdown version of a full-size chiller used in the poultry processing plant. If the the chilling process isn't done properly, it has to be redone until the internal temperature is decreased below 40 degrees so that pathogen growth such as Campylobacter and E. coli are not present in the food and the consumers don't get sick by consuming the meat in the chili. Once the saddle is removed from the bird, the top half of the bird is placed on these cone lines where they go down and everybody has a different cut. The shoulders are cut off, the tenders are cut off, and the breast meat's cut off.
That water tower's got the sun going down behind it.
During the manual debone process, every cut and incision is accurate. It has to be accurate because they have to get the maximum amount of yield off of each carcass of bird.
This is the process of taking poultry from the farm to the plate. They go through the processing plant to eventually end up on your plate, whether it be at home or at your favorite restaurant.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.